Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota 4Runner headlight assembly. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a brand new headlight assembly that perfectly matches your vehicle's model. For your safety, always park your 4Runner on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin any work. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old headlight. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. You will see two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your ratchet and socket to remove them. Next, carefully pop out the two plastic clips that also secure the assembly. Once the bolts and clips are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting position with a little effort, revealing the wiring behind it. With the old assembly out, it's time to disconnect the wiring. Carefully unclip the main electrical connector and twist out the turn signal bulb from the old unit. If your new assembly doesn't come with all bulbs, transfer any necessary ones from the old unit to the new one. Now, connect the main electrical harness and the turn signal bulb to your new headlight assembly. Double-check that all connections are firm and properly seated to ensure everything functions correctly once installed. You're almost done. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly back into its mounting position. You should feel it click securely into place. Once it's seated, reinstall the two 10mm bolts at the top and firmly reattach the two plastic clips. Close your hood, and then it's time for the final test. Turn on your vehicle and check the low beams, high beams, and turn signals to ensure everything is working perfectly. This confirms a successful replacement and safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.